Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming essentials. Your phone has battery, network access, and location services turned on. Sign in to the same account on a secondary device or web portal so you can send locate requests. Open the Find My app on Apple or Find My device on Android and accept any permission dialogues. This lets the system share the phone's last known coordinates. Once done, initiate a live locate or play sound command so you can find immediate proximity or confirm the device is online. Once you can access the tracking interface, use play sound to trigger an audible alert if the phone is nearby. This bypasses silent mode. If you suspect theft or leave it behind, enable lock or lost mode to set a passcode and display contact info. This prevents unauthorized use and gives you time to recover it. Make sure to review last seen time and reported location history. These provide movement context. Also examine connected Wi-Fi or Bluetooth devices as clues to the phone's recent environment. To finish, if the device is offline, enable notify when found so you get an alert when it reconnects. Check periodically. Make sure to change critical account passwords and revoke any sessions tied to the missing device to stop data access. If recovery fails, contact your carrier to block service and provide a MA so the phone is unusable. Then file a police report with identifying info. If tracking returns inaccurate locations, try forcing a network refresh or signing out and back into the tracking account as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.